Got a 2024 Hyundai Elantra, and we already got our first issue, which is no horn. Okay, so we got no horn pad. Here's the button. Normally when you lock and unlock, the horn will blow. Same thing, no horn. Okay, that's a good thing because this indicates that your horn pad is not an issue yet. Okay, we're not gonna say this is bad yet when this switch doesn't work either, and the switch doesn't work with the horn pad. Okay, so most likely we're gonna have either a blown fuse, a bad horn relay, and or possibly a bad horn itself. Okay, last but not least could be the horn pad, which I doubt. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you step by step how we go about fixing the problem on the 2024 Hyundai Elantra. First thing you're gonna want to do is come right here, pop your hood. Now that you're outside, you gotta come under here toward the center, right behind the logo, and you have a lever here. You'll lift the hood up and push the lever toward the left, passenger side. Open your hood. You'll take your hood prop, pop it out, put it right up in here, and rest your hood down there. Underneath this box right here, you have your fuse and circuit breakers. You're gonna push this tab in here, push this tab over here in, and pops it up. Okay, these are your relays. Here are your mini fuses. More relays, fuses. Right here you have a tool that's used to pull out the fuse. On the back of your fuse panel, the cover, you can see right here we have a horn, which is a 15 amp fuse. I know there's another one down in here that controls the horn. Let's see. I know there's one in here that does it works along with one of these, and it's for the horns, but we ain't gonna worry about that now. Like I said, this second one right here was for the horn. We're gonna test that right now. If you get yourself a circuit tester, you're just gonna plug it right here into the negative side of your battery, like so. And you're gonna come down here. Like I said, this is the horn one right here. You will get power coming up one side, as you can see here. That's the hot side. The fuse will link it over to go down to the next side. If you don't get no power on the other side, that's indication that you have a blown fuse right there. Okay, to verify, you're gonna use the little tool that they gave you. We're gonna pop it out like so. You're gonna look real close, and you can see it's dark in the center, which means it popped. Okay, so now you're gonna go to Advanced Auto, get yourself a new one. These are called 15A Micro 2 fuse. You gotta make sure it says 2 on there, because they got micros, they got minis, they got a whole bunch. Best yet, take the bad fuse and bring it with you and have them match it up for you. I just picked this one up at Advanced Auto, $6. Okay, comes with 5. Here's a close-up of the fuses. As you can see, the one on the left is the bad one that popped. The one on the right is a brand new one. Another thing to look for when you take them out, there's a close-up so you can see firsthand what you get. Okay, now we put this fuse in and the horn works. Good indication that we got it. Maybe a gremlin pop the fuse. Hopefully the fuse doesn't pop instantly. If it pops instantly, we know we have a problem with one of the wires either shorting out on the body. You might have started rubbing on the chassis. We would have to start tracing wires from the horn all the way back up to the fuse panel. Then we got, if that we don't find nothing bad there, then you would have to trace it from the fuse panel going all the way up to the switch. Okay, so we're gonna put in the new fuse like so. Press it in. Very simple. Let me test the horn right now. I'm gonna blow the horn. Hopefully it works. Okay, you just heard the horn was working. Good indications. You're gonna take your tool that they provided, put it back in your little tool holder for the future use. gonna take the cover, line it right back up. Like so. It locks into place. Boom, bada boom. Disconnect your circuit tester. And that's how you fix the horn fuse under the hood. Like I said, 15 amp fuse. Hopefully it stays working. A week from now, 2 days from now, after using the horn, it stops working. We're gonna have to investigate it further. As of right now, job is done. Good to go. Pry up on your hood. Take your hood prop out. Push it back down. Gently close the hood. And let it close. Okay. Test it one more time. We're gonna lock the door. There you go. Questions, comment, leave them below. I get back to everyone. Hope that video helped you. If it did, please subscribe. Spread the word. The more the merrier. Take care, fellas. Peace.